Hey guys, it's Carrie and I'm back with another lovely sweet scent plant-based gel nail polish set from Melody Susie. Thank you so much. Thank you for your order. They also included this cool catalog showing base gels, coming soon colors, and thick gels, among some other awesome products. So be sure to check that out. Okay, here it is. Let's open this and see what we are working with. Okay, first we have the lovely scent card. And we have a really important thing every nail artist should know, so we'll have to check that out. And here is the set. Lovely bottles. I remember these bottles from last time. So let's check these out. Just wanted to add this lovely open tab. I don't think the last box I got had that, and I think it's awesome because I couldn't figure out how to open the last box. I also got a new one of these. It's awesome. I have another one from the last box. So let's pull this tab and see. Oh, so much easier. Look at that. Okay. Have to say, I'm loving the kind of bottles these are in. These kind of golf ball shaped bottles. I think they're really neat, and I thought they were really cool the last set I got. I thought they were very unique. So I'm going to open up each bottle and show you a nice close look of the polishes inside. I will be starting with B2021. Looks white. A nice thick consistency. B2406. A nice pinky beige. Very nice and smooth. B2408. Nice beige color. We are now getting into the pinks. B2602. This is a very nice light baby pink. B2616. A little darker than the last. And for the last one, B2617. This is going to be the darkest pink. And it is. Look at that. A beautiful color. Nice thick consistency. So there it is. Thank you so much, Melody Susie, for this lovely sweet scent plant-based gel nail polish. And I will be back with my design. Thank you so much, Melody Susie. Until next time. Hello, Carrie here, and I am back with a design that I hope you will love just as much as I do. With all the products you see here, plus a fresh buffed set of nails, I will be starting off with these two polishes, plus a gold polish I have gotten from a previous Melody Susie set. I'm laying down my base here. Once you're happy with your base, you're just going to cure it. After it's cured, you take a thin brush and you start with white and you just stroke it downwards onto the nail. I also incorporate the base color and the gold. I'm really loving this streaky design right now. You just take the thin brush and you just streak those colors up and down the nail until you are happy with the design you have. I am very happy with this design. Couple touch-ups, and then you cure. I am doing molds with these nails, so for this nail I will be using this butterfly mold. I am taking a thin brush and the gold, and I am just lightly brushing it on the inside ridges of the mold, making sure to get it on in all those little nooks and crannies. And if you have anything you don't like there, yes, you can just go in with some alcohol and just wipe it away. If you see any spots, you can go back in with your gold. And after that, you go in with a little bit of white in the middle. When you're happy, cure. When you're done curing, you go in with the base color and you apply that to the whole back of the mold. Make sure to give it a nice swipe afterwards to get all the excess polish off before you cure. Once you're done curing, you gently take your butterfly out of the mold, and if you see any of that excess polish on the side, you can go in and clean it up with some alcohol. I do use base coat to help stick my molds onto my nail. So you just find where you would like it placed and you gently place it there. If you're happy with that position, you cure it. And after you cure, it's time to top coat. When you're top coating your nail, especially when you have a mold, one that sticks up like this one does, you want to make sure you get all around the decal so everything's encased in top coat. And once you're happy, make sure you cure. Onto my next nail, I will be using this lovely color for the base. This color is a nice pale pink. For this design, I'll be making a French design. So I start off, I'm mapping out my French. And it's going to be a streaky design. So I'm just streaking it on there. Next, I'm going to go in with my gold. And I'm going to put some nice wisps in there. I'm wisping together the white and the gold to make a nice blended streaky design. That's where we're going. I'm adding this nice gold line at the top, and when you're happy, make sure you cure. Moving on to the molds, I am doing a star mold with this nail. I am taking the base color and I am packing it into that mold. I will be doing 3 stars. Each star will be a color that I'm using in this particular nail. You want to make sure you swipe away that excess gel polish to get that nice crisp star. After curing, it's time to pop them out of the mold. And there they are, my beautiful stars. Now, I want to kind of cascade these stars down the right side of the nail. Not in any particular order or position, but once you're happy with the position, you cure. Then it's time to top coat. Because these molds are so small, they can get flooded with top coat. So I'm coming in with a small brush and I'm just wiping away some of that excess top coat. And there it is before cure and after cure. I just love the way this nail turned out. For my next nail, I will be using this beautiful pink. Starting with my base. Oh, look at that pink. This is just beautiful. Once you're done, you cure. I am starting off with the white polish and a thin brush, and I am just doing these strokes up and down the nail. And then I am taking that same brush and I am pulling the polish from the tip to the back, trying to create a nice streak design as in all the other nails. Again, once you are happy with your design, you cure and then on to the molds. For this nail, I have decided to use my rose mold. I'm going to take a thin brush and the gold, and I'm just going to be doing the same thing as the butterfly. You're just pushing the gold polish into the crevices of this rose. And once you are done and you have cured, you then take your pink and you put it in on top. We are making a pink rose with a gold outline. This is what we're going for. For this one, I did not swipe off the excess polish because the mold isn't deep enough. And there's my golden pink rose, beautiful. I've also decided to do one of these dragonflies. I'm going to do gold wings and a white body. So same thing, you are just packing the polish in there, making sure it's in all the crevices. Again, I will not be swiping the dragonfly because the mold is not deep enough and it'll just swipe away all of the polish. Voila! Rose and dragonfly. I am using base coat, of course, to stick my decals down on my nail. Once you have them in the position you like, beautiful. You cure. Time to top coat. Same as with the previous nails, you want to make sure you get around all the nooks and crannies and make sure it is encapsulated in there. After cure, absolutely stunning. For our next nail, I will be using this polish, another beautiful pink, laying down my base. This is a beautiful nude color. On this one, I will be doing 2 coats. Once your nail is cured, you will be going in with a thin brush and your gold polish, your pink polish, and your white polish. And you guessed it, swipes. I am doing the swipes. I'm going back in with some of the base, and I'm trying to get it blended just to the way I like it. Once you like it, you cure. For this nail, I have decided to go with a heart because this color just screams heart to me. So we're going to take a thin brush and we're going to go on the outside of the heart because there's a nice ruffle there like a doily. And we're going to pack in the gold, and then we are going to swipe away any excess. And if you need to go back in to put more gold because it looks sparse, that's good. And then you cure it. After you're done curing, you take your thin brush and you're going on top with white. There are some lines in this mold that I want the white to accentuate, so we swipe away any excess and you can see the white design pop. When you're happy, of course, you cure after you wipe away any imperfections. And then once it's cured, now you're going to go in with your beautiful pink. And you're just going to pack that in on the back. You will not be swiping this. When you're happy, you cure, and it's time to take out your decal. And voila, a beautiful doily looking heart. Now it's time to put our base coat drop on and time to secure our decal onto our nail. Once you're happy with the position, you cure. Now it's time to top coat. And even though your decal isn't as raised as the others, it's still a good idea to encapsulate it in the top coat. Beautiful. Now for our last nail, we'll be using the last color in this set. It's a lovely beige nude. I love how silky these polishes go on. They're so pretty. Now, just like the last nail, small brush, we're going to be putting gold, white, and base color lines up and down the nail. And then I will take my small brush and streak it down, just like the other nails. After top coat and cure, onto the mold. I have decided to do flowers for this particular nail. With thin brush and gold, I am doing the outside of this flower and the 2 dots on the inside of these 2 flowers. Once you have cured those, you can go in with the color. I am using the base color for this flower and this flower. But for the 3rd flower, I've decided to use white. It's a daisy, so white just seems right. Once you're happy and you've cured, it's time to take your molds out. There's the beautiful flowers. And it's time to base coat them on. I've decided, like the stars, to do a cascade down the right side. And when you're happy with the position of your decals, of course you cure. And then you top coat and you cure. I have to say, this last nail is one of my favorites. I love how this one turned out. I'm loving the streak design. And here's the finished product. I absolutely love them. I hope you guys do too. I had so much fun. Until next time, guys.